Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is a kit. It comes with both of these. These are for antifungal pens. They are. There is a daytime treatment and a nighttime treatment. So you have, so you're going to get the full treatment rather than just trying to use one. This one here gives you the option of two. Not exactly sure what the difference is too much in these ones here. I guess you can read some of the ingredients if you really want to figure it out. But let's go ahead and take a look at what these look like here. So they are going to be just a regular antifungal pen, and it's got the little squeeze button here on the back, so you can squeeze this. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's got a little level. You can kind of see how much is in there. So right now it's totally full. And this one here, I did it a daytime one, or this is the nighttime. Let me go ahead and, it's not nighttime yet. We are daytime. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the daytime one. And there we go, daytime treatment antifungal pen. I'm gonna show you guys my fungal foot, my fungal toe. Look at this toe, it's disgusting. So we can do this and it will come out. Is it coming out yet? No, not yet. Oh, there we go, there we go. Now we've got it. So there, I've gone and painted my toe with the antifungal cream. I will close this one up and that will dry. Sorry, you had to see my gross toe. But then that's the daytime, and then at night I'll put this one on. Pretty cool, I like it. So I'm gonna get double the effectiveness. So hopefully this will go nice and quick and my toes will be cleaned up before you know it. Thumbs up for sure.